Hello to all my beautiful viewers out there. Today I'm going to be unboxing a little capsule that we talked about recently. And no, unfortunately it's not the Montclair Palm Angels collection. I don't think it could all fit in one bag. No, it's the Thrasher X Godzilla capsule that released recently. So, if you don't know before, I did a little drip flip or skip on the recent Thrasher collection. They did a little thing to commemorate the new Godzilla film that came out. So they did a collaboration between Godzilla and their own brand. What they did is they essentially changed the logo, their iconic Thrasher logo, and stylized it in the font of how Godzilla's font is on the original Japanese movie series. I thought it was a really cool collection. Surprisingly, it only had 3 pieces in it: a shirt, a crewneck, and a hoodie. But, you know, what more could you ask for? I mean, I was a little bit needy and asked if they could do a skateboard, but obviously that didn't happen. Yeah, I really liked everything in the collection. The shirt, I didn't really think I needed because I already have quite a few Thrasher shirts that I don't wear enough already, and I didn't really want to just chuck that in the archive and never wear it. So I decided to get the crewneck and the hooded sweatshirt, also known as a hoodie. Now, unfortunately, when I was actually looking at the collection, I bought the hoodie in a large and the crewneck in an extra large. I'm like 99% sure that the crewneck's going to fit me, although large was the biggest size they had for the hoodie, and I bought it knowing that it's probably going to be a tight fit. Thrasher's usually pretty oversized for what size it is. Whatever size it is, it's usually one up on the Australian size. It's probably the exact for American sizing, but for Australian sizing, we're a little bit smaller than the American guys over there, or the American skaters over there. So their extra larges are usually a 2XL, their 2XL is usually a 3XL, so on and so on. So I'm hoping the large will be an extra large and it'll just be like a fitted hoodie like the one I'm wearing right now. I won't know until I unbox it, guys, so you know, let's get to it. Okay guys, let's hop in. Let's get this unboxed. Let's get it going. Open it up here, nice and easy, it being a bag. Oh, here it is. So, white. Ooh, look at that, straight up. Damn. Sorry, I'm looking at it. You guys should be looking at it. Damn. That's what it looks like. In my honest opinion, I think it would have been a nicer touch to have it, have the logo done in like a paintbrush style. I mean, I don't know if that's more or less Japanese by having it in paint or by having it like this, but I think personally, with the added touch of it being done in like paint strokes, it would have looked nicer. But no, I'm still really happy with that. That's like sick. I mean, people will know, people that have worn Thrasher or know Thrasher will know that that's Thrasher. So that's cool. It's not too far gone where people will look at me and be like, you goddamn weeb, what are you buying here? But, whoa, sorry, buying, what are you wearing here? No, that's cool. Let's see how red the hoodie was though, because I was concerned that the hoodie was going to be like super pink, or like pinky red, when I wanted it to be like this kind of red. So let's find out. Let's pull it out. Let's see what it's like. Oh, it looks like the packaging split open. Oh boy, I hope it's okay. Oh, that's oh, okay, that was pretty lucky. Oh, yep. So, sorry, I'll just look at this real quick. Yo! The best part about buying any skating brand product is the little stickers that you get. So this is the OCD Skate Shop sticker, spider, pretty cool. And here's another one, OCD Skate, that's pretty cool. I was kind of hoping for some Thrasher stickers though. Imagine Thrasher Godzilla stickers. Just a little thank you note from the guys at OCD Skate Shop, just saying thanks for spending your money, we're now making more money. Thanks, buddy. You know how it is, you know how it be. Cool. This is nice, though. This is really cool. I like it. The red isn't too bad. The white really stands out, though. And that's really nice. I actually really like that. I wasn't expecting it to stand out. Large. Oh, boy. Let's hope that this large hoodie can fit on this very large boy. This extra large boy. And see how it goes, guys. I'll try it on now. Ta-da! So it turns out if you are 6'5" and, well, 6'5", 6 foot whatever I am, 100 and a bit kilos, a little bit extra thick, you can still wear it. It's basically a fitted extra large hoodie. In all honesty, Like, it goes right down to the waist, so it's a perfect length. See how it does look quite fitted on me. It doesn't look quite loose. You can clearly see me, like, you know, do you know what I mean? Do I have to explain it? I don't think I have to explain it too much. Obviously, a loose fit wouldn't mean that you'd be able to see it, like, drape on me. A large is quite fitted, but I quite like it. It's quite nice. And I'm just happy that it fits. That was kind of like a 50-50 on the if the large was going to be big enough. But now I know. I fit a large Thrasher hoodie. I don't have to go to extra large or 2XL. I can potentially buy a large. We found out the hard way, but it worked out okay. This is what it looks like, guys. Trying to move out of the lighting. Bam. That's really nice. It's really red though. I would probably wear this with maybe a black bomber jacket. Give it some contrast, you know. Have the black bomber cover the sleeves because red. It's a bit red. Have the black bomber cover the red. Do like black jeans. There's an outfit for you guys right there. Don't steal it. You steal it, you got to give me credit on Instagram or YouTube. Give me that credit. But yeah, no, this is really cool. I'm really happy with this. Let's move on to the white crew neck. Now, straight away, I'll just move the plastic bag over there. Straight away, you can see extra large, quite like a massive fit. Like it's a lot larger. Just going for, I mean, I know this is the crew neck and that's a hoodie, so they could be totally two different fits, but like, just going from a large to an extra large, you can notice the difference. Like if I hold out this arm, look how much room I have in that sleeve. That's heaps of room. Like, it's a much different fit. So if you like fitted stuff, maybe go either your actual size or a size down, just to make sure it fits really nicely. But overall, I'm really happy with this. I like this collection. I think it's a cool idea. Would I have gone with the shirt now that I have both? Probably not. I'm still just going to stick with these. This is white though. So as I was picking up that bit of fluff just there, this could get dirty. This could go to some disgusting brown or disgusting pink if I wash it with the wrong stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, ugh. But yeah, extra large fits me. So if you're ever wondering about the measurements, you're a big guy, a little bit hefty around here, maybe just a bit of a long boy. Large, extra large, that's the biggest sizes they had for sale, I think, on OCD Skate Shop. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, they didn't have a 2XL. Most of the time, Thrasher doesn't do a 2XL. They very rarely do 2XLs. But you got to be like a big person to be a Thrasher 2XL. Like, you got to be super large. You got to be big. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but like, you're limited to very few options if you're that kind of size when it comes to Thrasher. Probably not in other brands, but yeah. Thrasher's for skaters, bro. Only skaters can wear a Thrasher. Wow. I ain't no skater, but I'm still gonna wear it because it's awesome. I love this. This is cool, guys. Well, that's it. That's all I've got to unbox, though. So yeah, that's all, fellas. That's all I've got to unbox. Well, I hope you were glad that I showcased it, that I could show what it looks like. If any time in, probably not in the near future, probably in years to come, if I ever get the Montclair Palm Angels collection at all, if it's not thousands of dollars in the future when I have enough money to buy it, I'll probably showcase that. But this is the Thrasher Godzilla Capsule. Hope you guys pick it up. OCD Skate Shop's the only place that I've seen that's selling it. You might be able to find other places, but OCD Skate Shop. Definitely shout out to those guys. They do Afterpay and everything. So if you don't have the money on you now, you can always just be like, here's $30. Ship it my way. But yeah, OCD Skate Shop. Check them out. Got some awesome other brands in there, not just Thrasher, but it's probably the best place to buy Thrasher in Australia that I can think of online. Obviously, don't ignore your local skate shops. Go to your local skate shops if you're interested in Thrasher and stuff like that. Go see if they have it in. But yeah, guys, until later, I hope you enjoyed this collection, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.